In this video, let's take a look at just how easy it is to get students collaborating on a Canva whiteboard. To show you just how easy this is, basically you just go to Canva, open up a new whiteboard, and once that whiteboard's open, you'll see you get an infinite space. And you can put anything there. You can put pictures, you can put text, but one of the really cool features of a Canva whiteboard is you can either click on the Elements tab to the left, or you can literally hit the letter S on your keyboard. And if you hit an S, a sticky note's automatically added to the canvas. And every time you hit the letter S, a new sticky note goes in. So think of this Canva whiteboard as a collaborative space. If you share the collaboration link with students, you can conceivably have multiple students in a Canva whiteboard, and they can all be hitting the letter S, popping up new sticky notes for ideas, and you can use this Canva whiteboard in so many different ways. Really, the sky's the limit. I just love that it's an easy, quick collaboration tool. And if you don't want to hit the letter S and post a sticky note, you can also go to the Elements tab and click on individual sticky notes there. Sticky notes is an object that you can just add to your whiteboard. But this feature is just fantastic to get students collaborating and sharing their ideas in real time in a digital space that you can continue to edit and use as you move forward in your teaching. We can't wait to see how you get students collaborating with Canva whiteboards. Happy collaborating! To keep up with our latest content drops, be sure to like and subscribe.